In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment with Axos Bank online according to the 2025 guide. If you're ready to set up a meeting with your banker, let's begin this seamless process to get you connected. First, what you'll want to do is head over to the official Axos Bank website. Simply open your preferred web browser, type in the URL axosbank.com, and hit enter. This will bring you directly to their homepage where you can get started with the process. Once you're on the website, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll notice a chat box. This is the home of Evo, Axos Bank's virtual assistant. Interacting with Evo can be an excellent way to find out if online scheduling is an option, or if you need to speak with someone directly who can assist you in making that appointment. If you have additional concerns or need further assistance beyond a mere appointment, cast your eyes to the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll find the support button there. Clicking on it will open up more options for tailored support. Scroll down through the options provided and decide what your concern is, whether it relates to personal banking, business, or partnerships. If personal banking is what you need, simply click on Learn More under the Personal Concern section. You'll want to scroll down the page again to find the Contact Us option, which is going to be essential to move forward. Click on Contact Us, and then scroll down once more until you find a range of contact numbers suited for various issues and queries. For personal banking concerns, you may also want to jot down Axos's 24/7 personal banking phone line, which is 888-502-2967. Feel free to give them a call to inquire specifically about setting up an appointment for the particular issue you are dealing with. For business concerns, head back to the support options and click on Learn More beneath the business section. Following similar steps, click Contact Us and scroll down to find the relevant phone numbers and email addresses. By reaching out via these channels, you can inquire if it's possible to book a meeting concerning your particular business challenge. An additional tip for account holders is to log into your Axos account and make use of their secure messaging feature. From there, you can request whether it's possible to schedule a phone or video consultation simply by sending a secure message with your inquiry. These steps offer a clear path to securing an appointment or getting your queries addressed online efficiently. We hope this guide helps in facilitating a smooth process for your banking needs. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.